Now, the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina was just devastating. Even during the storm, it was bad, and after the storm, it was worse. The National Guard and police were dispatched. If you got caught looting, would be arrested or even shot. Families got separated due to the storm and the loss of communication. The city got destroyed and damaged by Hurricane Katrina. The biggest issue after Katrina was that the levees broke and flooded New Orleans. The author and after the hurricane used imagery and free verse. One example of free verse in the poem is that it does not rhyme. One example of imagery was on lines 174 and 175, and that is trying to show Freddy is hungry. An example of figurative language used in After the Hurricane is the characters comparing Hurricane Katrina to a disaster movie. This metaphor showed that the characters felt worried and scared. An example of repetition in the poem is on lines 42 through 52. The phrase, "the world is here," was repeated to show that even though people were paying attention, the people in New Orleans did not get any help. The author also uses onomatopoeia in the poem. Lines 23 and lines 24 say that Jasper could laugh at all the actors drowning while the band played Glove, Glove, Glove to the death. This onomatopoeia represents that the instruments are underwater. These are some examples of the techniques used in After the Hurricane by Rita Williams Garcia, and thank you for watching.